there's two Grogu's. Battle!
Hey.
Look at that messy arrow.
Wait, no, it is today.
Can we get this and this?
Let's see. She looks all bugged out. Instead of coins, they throw little bricks. Oh my god, I love the earrings. It looks so cool. Thank you. The How to Train Your Dragon. It's a smart brick.
So it's a smart brick keyboard.
Oh, here's Grogu. He's one little brick.
That wasn't that.
Mom, your hair is in the way.
He's trying to be the fastest. Look at him go. What is this piece?
Like that. That. Your mommy finished already? And then like this.
Now.
And I got my windshield.
Windshield on.
I got my little Grogu.
These, other way. I've used all my pieces. Same thing.
You finished before Daddy. Look at. Ooh. This huge shoe. Ha! Celebration at Celebration? Look how tiny he is.
What's happening here? Is this a war?